Hi, I'm Sridhar here. Very good evening to you. Uh, Recently I just received one voice message in my Facebook Messenger, and the message was from some unknown person. He had sent me a friend request, and I saw he was working in some reputed company. And then I said, okay, fine. I know he looks profile seems to be very good and all that, and I accepted his friend request. And then once I accepted, he sent me a message, and that was in Kannada. And the message read like this, he says, I'm so sorry to disturb you, but I want to tell you that I have lost my job due to Corona. And last 6 months, I have not been able to get alternate jobs so far. I've been trying, here and there and all that. And, the profile said that he was fairly in an executive job and all that earlier. And when he narrated the story that he has lost his job and he has not been able to earn anything at all and he's struggling very much. So then finally he said that, sir, he didn't ask me any money, but he said, I want a job from you. Can you give me, even if it is a peon's job, it's fine with me. So he said he used the word chaprasi. In fact, I was very disturbed on receiving this message. Then I immediately replied to him that, I need some time. Let me come back to you. And I was thinking about what to do with this kind of people. There are so many people who are unemployed now because of this corona factors and all that. And on the contrary, there are people who have changed their gears, and then they've come into digital platform and they've seen success. And I'm one live example of that. In the month of April, I just shifted my business to online. And in online, I've seen much better response, much better success than what I did last year. The whole of last year, what I did was not even 20% of what I have done in the last 6 months' time. Okay, so that's the kind of turnover that I've been able to do during this Corona period. Okay. So people who have been able to shift to digital world, they have seen this, and there are some people who don't know how to get into that, and they are still groping in the dark, and they are struggling in their life, and unemployment has increased. Coming to this, then when this kind of message came in, on the other side, there was also an opportunity which knocked my doors at the same time, and this was something to do with e-commerce business opportunity. You know, I call this as an e-commerce business opportunity because it is to do with mobile phones, it is to do with laptop, it is to do with the digital world. It is something similar to what you've been doing in Amazon, Flipkart, and Grofers, Big Basket, those kind of e-commerce portals which are already there. So this is also something similar to that. So I found that this opportunity probably might give relief to people like this gentleman, and also many other people who have lost their job. They are actually salary cuts have been there, and people are struggling to revive and recoup. For them, this could be even an alternate income, because there's a lot of passive income that is being talked about in this business opportunity. So when you talk about business, passive income and that kind of thing, I'm sure that some of you must have made a guess that this could probably be a network marketing and MLM kind of opportunity that I'm talking about. Okay, true. Many people follow this traditional method of network marketing and multi-level marketing, direct marketing, and there is a traditional way of doing this business by approaching your close friend circle, then your relatives, make them join the program and all that. Okay, that's what is not network marketing all about, and this is what all of us have heard about, and we believe that it should be done in that manner only. Correct? But I'm a person, I've always seen that being in the sales and marketing field for the last 35 years, I have experienced one thing. If you are planning to sell something to a prospective buyer of either a service or a product, okay, that process of selling is not easy. It's very, very tough. Okay, any product for that matter. You see, even in the, when you go the signal light and all that, people come there and you're waiting in the traffic signal, and there are people who are coming, salespeople who are coming with selling pens and, some goggles, some mobile holders and all that. Look at their life and look at the kind of difficulties that they go through. There'll be rejections after rejections after rejections, and maybe one or two out of the whole group of about 100 people might probably purchase. So this is the normal journey for any salesperson, and network marketing is much more dangerous and serious about it. The moment you say that you're from network marketing company, people run away. This has been the practice. But I have done business in a different manner. I've also been in the sales and marketing side, but I've always done business in a different manner, especially in the last 15 years time. I've always felt that product should not be sold. Product should be, product or service, anything for that matter, should not be sold. It should be bought by the people. Okay. So you need to, as a salesperson, your job is to create awareness about the product or the service that you're offering. You need to leave the choice of purchasing that to the customer. If you go after the customer and keep on telling him that buy this, buy this, buy this and all that, he will never buy. And that's not going to happen also. And even if he buys out of your force, right? Later on, there are chances that he might get dissatisfied and you might lose that customer forever. So I always felt that product or the service that you're offering should be bought by the customer, not sold to the customer. So there is a difference between the two. I hope you understand that. So I always used to bring the people approach me for buying a product or service. So how do I do that? I promote my offerings. I promote my product offerings. I promote my service offerings. And then people come to me. Even now I'm promoting this e-commerce business opportunity. I'm promoting, but people will see this and they will definitely come to me. And that is where, I need to explain, discuss, counsel, negotiate, and then finalize. Okay. If they approach me, there's no harm in giving the offer to them. But if I go after those people, right, and then try to sell and then make them buy, it is not going to happen that easily. That is why 85 to 90% of the people in the network marketing industry also have failed. Apart from people like Sonu Sharma and all that. Why is that they are successful? Because they create that kind of demand in the marketplace. So anybody will go and get associated with Sonu Sharma because he's a very dynamic personality. He's a very, very successful person. The Santosh Nair, on the other hand, they will all go and join him because he is very successful. He has promoted himself in that manner. So naturally, people will go after him. That's business. So this product, which is being offered as a e-commerce opportunity, business opportunity, I found that this can solve many problems in the country today. Unemployment problems can be solved. Absolutely, people take up this. How do I say that? Because the product or the service being offered by this company, it is to do with your daily usage. Groceries. Supermarket, you go and purchase, right? Day in and day out, right? You will go to nearest provision stores or supermarket, you buy groceries there. Or you can even go to Grofers or Big Basket. You buy products from there. You buy products from Amazon and Flipkart, right? All those products are available in this company. And who is this company? Which is this company I'm talking about? This company's name is called Vestige Private Limited. It's currently now 3,000 crore company. It started in 2004. So this is the opportunity that I got. And what one has to do? You have to download your mobile app in the mobile and then start placing orders through the app. You can also use, of course, laptop or desktop, and place orders like how you place orders in Amazon or Flipkart or Grofers or Big Basket, like that. The same way you can order through using this Vestige uh, portals and the applications. Okay, and the product happens to be groceries. Then this is, and there is no investment also to it. There is absolutely zero investment. So one of my team member, coincidentally, when I received this message, he is already into this business and he offered me this opportunity. He said, sir, why don't you think of this particular business opportunity which is there? Because I'm already into multiple businesses. So he said, why don't you add on to this business that you are into already? I said, fine, no problem. I attended that meeting. And the person who was conducting this meeting was simply superb. He's just about 4.5 years old in this company, and he has reached pinnacle of heights in this company. He started with zero, and then he's been able to raise to this level. Name is Sagar Bamri, right? He's he's a very successful person. In 4.5 years' time, seeing about 15 lakhs per month kind of revenue, it's not a joke. It's not possible that easily unless you are really talented and you are able to do this business very well. So I was impressed naturally, and he told about the business proposition that is available and the model that is being followed. The model is network marketing using the mobile app. But on the contrary, I am more strong in digital. I always advise people to make people come to you rather than you going to them. So even in real estate business that I'm into, my team members are very happy with me because they are not making any cold calls. I don't ask them to make any cold calls. Or database are available plenty. People keep calling every day, and then, sir, are you looking for a property and all that? Many people keep doing that, but I don't advise any of my team members to do that. I tell them, look, listen, you need to receive calls, not make calls. So if the call is inbound, you always stand to gain because you can talk with authority, with confidence, and your body language, everything changes when somebody asks you about a product or the service, right? When you go after them only, you have to be defensive. You have to say, sir, why don't you buy it and all that. We have to say like that. But here it's not the case. When he is in need of the property, he comes to you. So this is what the culture that I have created in my team, and they are all very happy. And when this opportunity, e-commerce opportunity of this grocery purchases, grocery product sales came into my lap, I thought over it for about nearly 2-3 days. Then I came out with a thought process that yes, even this can be done digitally. So people who associate with me in this e-commerce business opportunity, I am not going to tell you to ask any of your family members or any of your close relatives to join. You don't go and approach them at all. Okay, they should come to you, right? For that, the first thing that you need to do is to get people outside the circle, outside your own circle of people. I'm talking about getting strangers interested in the offer that you're giving. The offer is very simple, e-commerce business opportunity, and there's plenty of money to make through. You need to have a team of about nearly 250 to 300 people, right, to see an income of about 2.5 lakhs. If there is a turnover of, each one doing a business of about 4,000 rupees, if they provide to the company, so you can multiply 300 into 4,000 rupees, right? It comes to something about 12 lakhs kind of business. If this kind of business is being given to the company, you have a chance of earning around 2.5 lakhs. Okay, this is the benchmark that you can keep in mind. So in order to get this 300 numbers, generally you are being asked to do with your own team of people, get about 6 or 10 people within your close circle. Those 10 people will bring in another 10 people, and those 10 people will bring in another 10 people. That's how it grows, right? That's the network marketing concept all about. It is the same concept being followed here also, but the only difference is that people will approach you for the business and you will not go after them. Okay. So when I say this, there are certain proven, tested methodology that I'm going to introduce into this, and that's where you're going to see success. Investment is zero, and the opportunity is very good. What's wrong in trying out? I'm not going to put you under stress by asking you to go and contact your people. You don't have to contact your neighbors. You don't contact your family members, right? You work in front of the laptop, right? And what I teach you in automation part of it and all those things, I'll be teaching you digital automation, then how to use social media, how to find leads who will be interested in this concept. How do I find out and all those things? So those are the techniques that I'm going to teach you. And sitting in front of the laptop, you can do this business. Okay, you need to direct people to this particular page where you have already come and you are now watching my video. This is the page they should come. Below this page, you will find there is a text matter which is already given, right? And at the bottom, there's a Google form which is there. They have to click that, fill their details, and then give their Aadhaar card or ID proof and all those things. And also mention who is the person who referred. Have they come through my advertisement directly in Facebook, or have they come because you advertised and or through you he has come? All that he has to do is to mention your name there. And if that name is mentioned and he registers with his Aadhaar card, he will be mapped under you. Anyway, because he's going to be a part of my team only because he is under your team, and your team and my team is one and the same. And my guidance will be there to you only to source people in this manner. A very, very dignified way of promoting this product, what I'm talking about, this concept, and they on their own will come and approach you for joining this opportunity. That's the that is the kind of activity that you will be getting involved. And for doing this kind of job, right, in a span of about 6 months' time, there is a possibility if 300 members join your team, you can earn 2.5 lakhs month after month if that many members are there. Then it keeps on growing. After that, it will keep on growing. You will find that 80-20 principle even here. So when I say 300 people coming in, not all the 300 people should actually buy, right? I have kept an average of 4,000 rupees. Some people may buy 10,000 rupees worth of goods for them. Here, if I change the brand from wherever I have been buying, if I shift that to this company called Vestige, okay, all these products what you're buying, you will get it from here also. What are the products I'm talking about? Toothpaste, toothbrush, soap, oil, rice, dal, wheat, and other grocery items. Okay, which is anyway being consumed by you also at your house. Every individual will be doing this. So every family, every member who is going to join, you can be rest assured that the minimum business that you can get is at least about 4,000 rupees. Okay, bring it down to 2,000 rupees also, no problem. Even if 2,000 rupees is what they are going to buy, even then it's not bad. Instead of 2.5 lakhs, you may get about 1 lakh, 1.5 lakhs every month, which is also a very reasonable income in the present circumstances. There are people who are struggling today, not even getting salary for 6 months, 9 months, and all that. So this is the opportunity that you have. Is there any investment from your side? No, not at all. No joining fee, nothing, zero, right? You can straight away get into filling up the form, submit it, and then you're not left all alone. You're going to be trained properly through my video lessons, right? How are these video lessons going to be? I'll show you one sample of how I have done for my real estate team. It's going to be the same way that I'm going to do for even this business. Okay, I'll show you an example of that. So this is my website. You can see the kind of courses that I've been, offering. I've got level 1 course, level 2, level 3. These are all into real estate, right? And then I conduct some 3 days WhatsApp class and all that, and 90 days video lessons, email automation mastery. There are plenty of courses which are available here. NGO promo partnership program, affiliate programs I have. And then the latest one is the e-commerce business opportunity. These are the multiple courses that I offer. How it is being offered, how people will get benefited. See, let's take one example of my, let's see, labs. Okay. Fine. So let's look at this level 1 course which I'm offering. So it starts from, an overview, and it is a video lesson. Okay, and then KYC requirement, it goes on like this, right? You can see here how to upload properties and manage, how to handle brokerage, then digital automation basics. These are all subtopics of the large thing that I'm talking about. Here I'm talking about how to design creatives, how to sign up with MailChimp, building, how do you build your email list and all that, all that I'm teaching them. And then email automation part of it, teaching them, where absolutely no cost for all these things. Okay. Nobody has to invest anything here in this. Even, when you learn this, I'm going to teach you these things for this business opportunity also, e-commerce business opportunity also, which will help you. You can even create a website by paying zero money, absolutely no money to be spent at all. You can still create a website of your own, right? So this is how it's going to be for this e-commerce business opportunity also. So since there is going to be a proper guidance and coaching, training and coaching is going to happen to you, you can be rest assured of success rate. Because my past experience has been, my track record has been reasonably good. You see here people, in my current business, what I'm into, see their testimonials. See this guy, he's seen about double deal, 2 back-to-back deals, 2 BHK and 1 BHK sale in 2 days. It's in Bombay, right? And this person is also from Bombay, Utpal Mehta, who sold about 12 lakhs worth of rental deal, right? It's a commercial property. And this lady has sold around 16 sites in a span of about 45 days time. And this gentleman has closed around 2.3 crores worth of property, where brokerage is about 6.5 lakhs for this. Okay. And these are many other testimonials that I've received from many people. You can see here. Okay, so this is the kind of track record in real estate business. Now coming to NGO sector, where I help NGOs also in the area of fundraising for them, because many NGOs are struggling to raise funds and all that. So I have found out certain techniques in digital world, and I've taught them all that, and then they are now pretty happy about it. Okay, you can see. I'll show you some examples of even people who have seen success in NGO line. Let me show an example of the today's message that I received. Okay, you can see is this gentleman has just received 3,000 rupees, Mahesh from Dubai. Okay, he has received this money, and this gentleman, you see, this is all today's postings. 1,15,000 rupees from Philippines he has received through the digital world. Okay. Now what this gentleman is saying is that only hard work never pays. It needs to be channelized. I came to Sridhar, that is me, right? For that funnel, I put his thoughts into funnel, meaning I do as directed. So whatever I guided him, he has been able to follow that. And he has given me a very good testimonial, because he is now free from all the problems that he was into. You can see the same person making a statement here, that here it says, see, before I broke fixed deposit many times. So he has been able to, he was managing his NGO by breaking his FDs and all in the past, right? And then use that money for managing his NGO, right? Post August, because August is the time he met me, right? After that, things have been smooth for him. He is now, very happy. With this experience and all that, I'm very confident this concept of business, that's why I call this as e-commerce business opportunity. I'm not calling this as network marketing at all, though the model is the same. But here, physically, practically, you don't have to take a plan and then go in front of somebody and give him a plan. No need at all. You have to direct people to this particular page of mine, where they'll be watching my video. How you are watching my video, they will also be watching my video, and they will join on that. Is there any problem for you in that case? right? You have to direct them here. If they are interested, they will sign up and they will join. And if they join, they will be mapped under you, period. And then if they do turnover, for doing the turnover and how to motivate them, how to make them do business and all that, my video lessons will help you all, everybody, that whoever is there in my team, even if 10,000 people come tomorrow, they all can see my videos and get, business done, because it's going to be in a very, very structured manner, and regular updates would be there in that. Fine. I think I've spoken enough about the e-commerce business opportunity now. Now let me tell you what action have you should take in case you are interested to proceed further, right? So this is the page where you have come now, and you can go through all the contents that I put here, right? And what you need to do is come down further. Here there is something called Google Form. Click this Google Form. Before I come to this part, I'll tell you one thing here. There is something called order and 9,999 rupees price. Don't worry about this, because this I have put it across, because if this is kept open, zero, right? Anybody can come in and go through this video lessons that I have inside it. Inside, I will be having something like about approximately, I'm guessing, I don't know, it could be anywhere between 40 to 60 videos inside that. It will be there, all right? That many video lessons can even be seen by competitors and all those people, okay, if it is kept free. So if I keep a price about this kind of a pricing, they cannot get access to it. But whoever fills up this, whoever is filling up this, okay, I'll be giving them the access, because they are serious about it, and that's why they are filling up that form and coming forward. Then I'll give them a coupon code, and once you click this order, right? I'll show an example. What will happen is here. So when you click order, here the order total is so much. Here you will have to enter the coupon code like this. Okay, this is already given to some people and all that, so this won't work right now. After this, if you just click apply, it will say now invalid coupon code, because it's already given, used by somebody else. But I will be giving you a fresh coupon code for you, where when you click this, it will become zero. It will become free. After that, you have to fill your name, email ID, and then check out without paying anything. No cost, nothing, zero investment for you. So once you clear the checkout, then you will get a mail, you'll get login details and all that. Then after that, you can go through my video lessons. This is the process that you have to follow. Okay, so before getting on to that, you need to first fill up this to get the coupon code. Coupon code I will give you only after I receive this Google form duly filled in. What is the Google form all about? So the very simple questions being asked: your name, your email ID, your phone number, why are you wanting to take up this opportunity, what is your dream, right? And how did you come to know about this, whether it is through my Facebook ad or LinkedIn ad, or anybody has referred you, right? If somebody has referred you, you should put that person's name here. When that name comes here, that person will be already in my team. That's why he has referred his name. And under that person, you will be mapped up, right? And then add your ID proof for the same. Once this is done, then you will get access to the video lessons and start doing the business. That's how the whole thing is there. And in a month, in less than 30 days time, how to have 36 members as your frontline people, okay, is what I'm going to teach you. 36. I'm not, generally the company themselves say that 6 people are enough. If you form 6 people, those 6 will bring in another 6, and those 6 will bring in another 6. Then that's how it multiplies. Okay, but if by adding people, you won't be able to get numbers at all unless volume is there. There's a turnover that must happen, right? You need to buy yourself for your house. Similarly, the people whom you are bringing in people, they should buy items for their houses. So not every one of them are going to buy. There is a possibility that they will probably initially join you, but in practically there could be some opposition coming from their family members not to go in for purchase of online and all that. They are used to buying it from a local provision stores. They would like to stick on to that. Could be, All these kind of problems may come in. So therefore, I'm saying that you should not stick to only 36 people. So you should go to 36 people. If you go for 36 people, I'm counting that only 6 out of these 36 people will actually perform. The rest of the people will not work. I'm just, you know, making my own calculations that this is how the business will, this model will work, because it is something to do with network marketing. Okay, unless they go through my programs, unless they go through my video lessons, the confidence level will not come to them. When you start going through my one by one video, in the third or the fourth video, when you see, you will be 100% confident that you can do this business without losing your face, without any kind of embarrassment. You can make big money, and your own close family people and the relatives and all, you don't know to approach them. They will approach you and say that I am also interested in doing this. They will come to you. A day will come for that. Okay, till then, don't even open your mouth to your family members. No need to invite them to join here at all. When I say don't open your mouth, you can disclose that you are into marketing company, network marketing company, like this thing, and you can say that this is a e-commerce opportunity that I've got. Therefore, I've taken this, and that's how you have to designate yourself that you are an e-commerce specialist. Okay, and then promote this opportunity to people, and you can see success. And I guarantee you that, provided you follow my system of working. Right? I'm teaching you something different than what many others would be teaching you. Right? You follow my guidelines and you see success. Okay, supposing you don't see success, let's say 30 days you start doing something on this, and are you going to lose any money? Are you going to lose anything? Nothing, no? But just in case it succeeds, if you make this attempt for 1 month, and if it succeeds, then what will happen? Great, no? So why don't you make a try? Why don't you give it a shot? Give it a shot, and I'm there to back you up, right? With my solid experience in the sales and marketing field, I'm very confident that I can guide any average person also to get into pinnacle of heights. So with that backing, you confidently come and join me, right? I'll help you succeed. Okay, bye-bye, see you, all the very best.